Hey everyone, it's Mike with NRGcreativ. I want to give you a little story about why we do what we do and why you should choose us over any other manufacturer out there for flag and camera mounts for your Seadoo ski or Seadoo switch. So stick around and I think you'll find this informative. All right, guys, thanks for joining me again. Like I said, Mike with NRGcreativ. These the Seadoo mounts that I produce here, I've been doing this for a long time now. I've actually been a 3D designer and 3D printer since 2017. When I set out to make these mounts, I set out to make something, it was something I was frustrated with. So I had bought a mount. I wanted to put a camera on my ski. It actually was an aluminum mount, and it ended up doing damage to my ski. So I found out that the metal mounts were not a good choice. So I started designing prints. Mounts started with a umbrella mount, and to this date, that umbrella mount holds true. Matter of fact, all the mounts do. And let me just tell you that before I put a mount available for sale to the public, it goes through extensive testing before you even see it. So, for example, with the Game Changer rear mount, this is a flagship mount. It's very, very sturdy. It's almost impossible to break this. This one started out as something like this. And I know you guys, if you've watched me for long enough, you know that this mount, this idea was stolen by somebody else from a very prominent jet ski group. We'll just leave it there, which forced me to redesign that mount into what you see today. This mount is unbeatable, guys. Now, I will say also when it is used as directed. With a lot of my mounts, they come with a QR code. I urge you to scan that and watch the associated video with that mount. This mount, when properly installed, matter of fact, this exact mount here, I just took off my ski. This has been on my ski for over 2 years, this exact same mount. One thing that I do here is I test my mounts and I want them to break before you get them, because I want to know each and every circumstance and what happens to these mounts and what they go through. I test my mounts in the Gulf of Mexico, Gulf of America, whatever you want to call it. Every type of condition out there, usually it's in choppy water, and I want to see from the different extended levels of the sticks to accidental use, improper installation. I go through it all, and I purposely break these mounts and find their weak points. So for anybody that may have an issue, which it rarely happens, I can tell just from your photo exactly what happened to that mount. So, and that's why there's disclaimers everywhere. I urge you to ask questions, watch the associated videos before you make a purchase. We are completely transparent, and I want you guys to have all the facts so you can make an informed decision. Now, these mounts here, I have done just about everything that I can possibly do to these mounts, short of maybe an alien coming down and doing something, but we have tested these. We have pulled on them. We have had the sticks extended all the way up. We have tried our best to break these mounts, along with the people that have had these on their skis as tests before they were available. I wanted them to break them. We even go through the point of making a heavier dummy camera on the sticks so that we don't lose the cameras and we break these mounts. It's hard. It's hard, guys. It's really hard to break these mounts. The number one reason that you will have an issue with this mount is just like the video that you should watch, but I know a lot of you don't watch it. There are indications on all of these because the videos that are associated with these are not public videos. They are link only. So I can tell when somebody actually watches the video or not. Improper installation, guys. So that's the number one reason that you will have an issue with this, is when you guys get out there and want to manhandle it, crank these things down just as tight as you can, it's going to fail on you. The number two reason that these mounts would fail is actually accidental. Getting on your ski, having your pole extended, you bump into the ski, you bump into the mount, you bump into the pole. Somebody out there, oh, what's this? And they grab this and you got to really yank on it, guys, in order for something to happen. I've literally had to pull up and tried to break this mount, and it's hard. Somebody falling into it, somebody being thrown into it. Those are ways that, unfortunately, there's nothing we can do. And that's why there is disclaimers in there stating that there are no warranties on here, simply because, not because it's a bad product or it can break, they don't break. But I can't control how you install this. I tell you the correct way, but if you don't pay attention to me, there's nothing I can do. I can't control that you're out there wave jumping. Wave jumping is something that these things are not designed for. They will hold up to it, but you need to have your stick lower. Passenger being thrown off or falling off. I've had guys actually take and be towing a tube. The rope gets thrown back, wraps around the pole, and breaks them out. Things like that, guys, it's user error. And 99% of people that happens to, if anything happens to, they actually admit, hey, guy, listen, I did this. What can you do to help me out? And I'm more than happy to help my customers. But the ones that this broke, they sent me a picture. I can tell what happened to the mount. It just broke. I just put it on there. It magically broke. You get the attention you deserve. Now, we all know that there's a customer out there that you just can't please no matter what, and they get kind of dealt with accordingly. So, guys, you can choose with confidence NRGcreativ mounts, guys, under the directed installation and normal use like you're supposed to, like they're directed to use. You're going to have years of service with this. It's not going to break on you guys. You're going to have very good footage. I've got customers out there that have had these on their skis as long as I have, and they constantly send me videos. They're still going strong, guys. So with that being said, check us out. We've got, not only have we gone from this to this, and this, guys, this can't be improved on anymore. We've got the Evolution mount. We've got the Extreme mount. We've got the side mounts, the front mounts. The front twisted mount is just absolutely incredible as far as the front mount goes. Even the metal ones can't touch us on those. So NRGcreativ, guys, buy with confidence. These came about when I started seeing some of the stuff that was coming out of people's garages, and we are the #1 industry leader in Seadoo flag and camera mounts. So trust us, we're here. Pick these mounts up now, get you some incredible footage that your friends are going to envy, and before you know it, they're going to be buying skis. They're going to come out with you. Have more people to ride with, people that you trust, have fun with. Guys, I look forward to seeing you on the water. Come up to me anytime. A lot of times I have mounts, and I don't mind sharing with people that are actually out there. So sometimes I run those, and I just hand them out. So look for me. I've always got a flag. Most of them always got a flag, NRGcreativ. Also, check out our Facebook group at Nature Coast Ski Riders. It's free to join, and you can meet up with us anytime. Guys, thanks for taking the time to watch this. I know it's a long-winded video, but I wanted to let you guys know who we are, what we do. We've been at this a long time, and we're still going strong. We'll see you next time.